Hi folks, welcome back to Mecum Auctions Kissimmee 2025. My name's Mark, I'm from Let's Go Car Cruising, and we're gonna have a great day because it's a great day to have a great day. Gonna go out, we're gonna check out some unique, some rare, some special interests, some important historic cars. Gonna have a great day. Thanks for watching. Let's go car cruising. Just learned this morning. Very sad to hear the news. Unfortunately, I never met the man, but I enjoyed his commentary and his knowledge and his wisdom. Godspeed, John. Prayers for your family and friends. $30,000 goes the bid. The bid goes on. So along the Midway, we got more cars outside, trucks outside, convertibles outside. Cool stuff. We'll just take a walk down, show some of the cars. They're everywhere. More signs and memorabilia and stuff. Cool Shelby truck. Gas pumps. All that stuff is cool. More inside the event center. More cars in the back there. Motorcycles, mini bikes.
Awesome.
Take a walk down that. These have already sold, but this is what's available here. Motorcycles, mini bikes, little ATVs, all the stuff you had as kids and now you want again. How cool is that? All right, we're in a tent I haven't been in yet. Gonna just take a walk down the aisle and see if we catch anything rare, unusual, outstanding, interesting. Well, they're all interesting to somebody. If you happen to see something you'd like me to go back and take another look at, leave a comment down below and I'd be more than happy to do an up close and personal walk around. I'm just going to take a walk up and down the aisles of this enormous tent, and it's one of many enormous tents, and we'll see what we see. Something here for everyone. Absolutely everyone. Little stuff, big stuff, old stuff, not so old stuff. I'm going to spare you the majority of the commentary because y'all don't want to listen to me yap. You just want to see the cars. 4,500 plus cars in I think 11 days. Just absolutely enormous. It gets bigger and bigger every single year. And if you're a spectator, it's just a great car show. You get to see stuff that you may have never seen before. Stuff you don't see very often. Real cool custom stuff. You never know what you find or who you find. You occasionally bump into some interesting people as well. I'm gonna sneak around these golf carts. There's hidden gems all over the place. Let me know what you might like to take home from this sale. Unfortunately, I can't help you out with it because my pass only says media, does not say bidder number on it. So I'm safe. Can't bring anything home. That's the end of this tent. We will turn and we will go down the other aisle. A Good Humor ice cream truck. Good memories of those down at Chalker Beach in Old Saybrook, Connecticut. We used to wait for the Good Humor ice cream man, or the lemon ice man. We got to pick one per day when we went down on vacation. So I had to come back and take a look at the Good Humor truck, and there's nothing in it. No ice cream for me today. It's okay. I've eaten too much down here anyway. So cool. That's how they built them, for the Good Humor man to get in and out of easily. This one's on a Ford. I've seen some older ones, Chevrolets. 1969 Ford F-250. Good Humor ice cream truck. Brings back awesome memories. So we would alternate as the treat for the day, being on vacation. I kind of like this gimbal. Maybe the folks at Hohem would like to send me the new M7, and I would be happy to try it out and give them a review on it. I really like this little Diamond T pickup truck here. Don't see many of them around. A plow truck in Florida. Well, don't need it in Florida, but man, you certainly could use it on the way down. You know, I gotta take a stop and look at this one. Hang on. So a 1937 Diamond T Model 80D pickup. Just cool little trucks. You don't see a lot of them around. They're hard to find. They're rather valuable. Must be difficult to restore. Not a lot of parts availability, but they're really cool. The style, kind of a heavy duty-ish pickup. Nice dash instrumentation, and a Hercules inline 6. Just a real pretty truck. All right, we'll finish the rest of this tent here, folks. And they come back and do a walk around on a couple of things I saw that interested me. And there you go. 1959 Corvette in classic cream. And as far as I'm aware, the 1959 wheels are supposed to be painted black, no matter the body color. But that doesn't matter. It's a cool car. Don't know that I've ever seen classic cream, but it's really kind of sharp. I like it. What do you think? It says it's a 245 horse car, which is dual 4 barrels on a 283 with hydraulic lifters. The 270 horse cars were dual 4 barrels with solid lifters, but a nice driving car. A little bit more power than the base 230 horse engine. Cool, really sharp. Selling at no reserve. Wow, you can take it home. Not me, but someone can. It's a 71 Boss 351 Mustang with a 4-speed, sharp red color. Take a look. Ram Air Boss 351. This is 1984 Pontiac Fiero Pace Car Edition. This one's got just over 5,000 miles and was previously owned by 4-time Indianapolis winner Rick Mears. 6,200 miles, I'm sorry. Cool little car. This is a replica. The on-track pace cars had a scoop that came off the rear deck and up over the roof for air intake, I believe. But don't see these cars around, and it's really cool. So the Chevy SSR, this one is a 2006 pace car replica for the Allstate 400 in August of 2005. That's an early production 06. Two-tone paint, special decals, the bigger 6-liter motor. These things are really starting, they have started to really increase in value, desirability, and the ones with the 6-liter motors are even more popular, a little bit more grunt to them. And this one's really popular, should ring the bell. SSR meant Super Sport Roadster. Very retro styled, fun little truck. 1965 Pontiac GTO convertible. I really like the color. I love the Pontiac style rally wheels. A little bit larger than stock. They're aftermarket, but they just fit the car. Dress it up a little bit. This one's got a standard in it. Again, take a look at the wheels and the Pontiac style exhaust tips. What a beauty. That's a car to go out and have fun with. Novas going for sale. A gasser and a Pro Street car. 68 Shelby GT500 KR, king of the road. 34,000 mile unrestored original car. Don't usually see these out in the back tent. They're usually up in the front with the bigger, higher profile, higher dollar cars. That is really, really cool. Gonna come around the other side. Black interior, 4-speed, Shelby steering wheel, really sharp. So this is a 1995 Batmobile based on a Chevy Suburban. The wings are activated when the brakes come on, and it shoots flames out the back. So I definitely know I need one of these, because you gotta have it. Oh, wings up on top. They're activated also when you put the brakes on. Not that you're gonna get going all that fast with it, but man, scare the neighbors, scare the kids, freak out everybody at the car shows. Gotta love this thing. Woo! But how do you put it in the garage? That bad boy don't fit in a single wide door. Wow. Here's one from my friend Bill. He really likes these. 84 Hurst Olds, 10,000 original miles, and factory T-tops. Cool car. Kind of bright here, and I don't know if you can see through, it looks like tinted windows, but the lightning rod shifter is a feature of these cars. Really cool. Wow, what a cool car. Nice looking car. 71 Chevy Monte Carlo. Rectangular marker lights and hood ornament on the hood for 71. Small block car, but one of 349, I believe it said, with, yes, 349 with the M24 speed.
I had one of them.
Wow.
Yeah, 70.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Gotta love them. Got one heading to the auction block here. It's like a Chevy Craftsman truck. Raucous. Fun toy to have. So it's a 1998 Renault Sport Spider. Honestly, I've never seen one before. I'll take a look at it. We'll do the walk around. Cute little car. Here's what it looks like from the back. And we'll come up. And the driver compartment looks pretty roomy. I might even be able to fit in this bad boy. Cool little car. Where have you ever seen one before? 1960 Corvette. Looks like it's in a very original condition. Got some patina on it. 230 horse car. Original-ish interior. I believe the wheels, the rims should be painted white body color for 1960. And the silver in the cove should go all the way to the front where the flags are. But pretty car. They were only original once. Something you get in, drive, people enjoy, go to local cruise nights and have a ball with. Not a trailer queen that you need to guard with your life every time you take it out. Here's another one, 95 Corvette Indianapolis Pace Car Edition. They made 527 of these cars. I'm not sure if this was a documented festival car. It probably couldn't have been a festival car. It's got 5 miles. The odometer listing is 5 miles. So it's in the wrapper. Beautiful. I really wanted one of these, but back in '96 they were just a little bit out of my reach, and that's why I bought the ruby red car with 6,000 miles on it. But these are just really special to me. 1962 Chevy Impala bubble top. 409 car, plain Jane, no frills, 4-speed on the floor. This one, this one says it's been upgraded with a Richmond 6-speed, and really cool. Just love these cars. I love the style. Really want to own one someday. 68 Chevy Nova, 396, 375 horse, automatic, bench seat, dog dish caps, just a little tag on it that says 396, the SS hood, come around the pole. But I imagine you could sneak up on people with this car and they'd never know what it was until you left them and you walked away from them. Really cool. I like the color. Don't really see it very often. Nicely done. So this is a 73 Volkswagen Type 2 bus, Brazilian built, and a little bit more affordable than the earlier German built ones, but you can take it out and have fun with it. Everybody loves seeing these things. Harkens back to days gone by. Nice little bus. And 69 Corvette, 427, 435 horse, sold by Yenko Chevrolet. Pretty car. There you go. Get you some of that one. So what we got here, 1993 SVT Cobra with 477 miles on the odometer. From a distance, I looked at it, I go, oh, that's a really clean, straight-looking car. Well, damn, it should be with that low miles. I got my Fox Body friends at home that would just die for this. What a beautiful car. Dark charcoal interior. As it came. Wow, what a time capsule. Now that there is Hugger Orange. Split bumper Camaro Z28 started off, tagged as. Got a big motor in it, 7-liter LS-based motor. The little spoiler on the back of it. Really nice. And a 49 Plymouth Special Woody wagon, ready to go to the beach. That's why they call them beach wagons. What a cool car. Room for the family, 3 rows of seats. Take it out and go cruising. 1970 Mercury Cyclone spoiler. It says it's got a Ford Racing 514 cubic inch motor in it. It's been upgraded, altered, made to go faster. Where do you see it though? It's really cool. And here's one for my good friend Greg. 77 Trans Am, TA 6.6, 4-speed car, 8,600 miles with a 4-speed. I think I said that once. This one's got black interior. Greg's had red interior, but it was white and it was really cool, and we had a lot of fun with it as kids. And a screaming chicken on the hood. There you go, Greggy. Get you one of them. There's a rare little Fox Body Mustang, McLaren. 1980 M81 McLaren Mustang prototype. It's pretty cool. Pretty rare. (2008) Chevy Corvette Pace Car Edition. Convertible. This one's got an automatic in it. In the wrapper, 11 miles. That is just really cool. Gotta give the Ruby convertible 1993 40th anniversary Ruby Red Corvette some love. This one's got the hard top. It is an FX3 automatic, just like the one I got at home, only this one reads 212 miles. I don't know. I love it for what it is, but I don't know that you can really drive it because not all, but a lot of its value is in the fact that it has 212 miles. I mean, mine's got 30 on it, and I drive it a bunch, and I enjoy it. It's a pretty car. 1996 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport. They made 1,000 of these special VIN numbers, and they made 190 convertibles and 810 coupes. And of the 190 convertibles, 53 had the red interior. Top's down, but it's a white vinyl top. and it is really cool. That's the Grand Sport, in my opinion, to have. Red's a little bit louder, but it just kind of pops. Shine it up and it'll glisten in the sun and have a great time with it. This one's got about 11,000 miles on it, it says, so you can drive it. They were all, the Grand Sports were the LT4 330-ish horsepower with a 6-speed manual. Great driving cars. So this ought to be a lot of fun. We're gonna go for a thrill ride in a Dodge. Woohoo! There they go. And here's the second car. One 2-door, one 4-door. It'll be a fun ride. Hope I don't wet myself. What's your name?
Erica.
Erica. Erica's going on a Dodge thrill ride.
Yay.
Yeah.
First time.
We'll see her get loaded up in this Dodge Charger. There you go. Hold on tight.
Just as a reminder, that great piece of jewelry that you all received when you register, that is good for multiple thrill rides. Keep that,
And technologically challenged old man who forgot to hit record the last time. We're going to give it another run in this one.
the registration process.
Technologically challenged old man forgot to hit record.
Oh, man.
Dumbass. There we go. There we go. Woo! Yay, baby. Ooh, how many cones did you get that time? Oh, you knocked it over. Woo. That's extra points?
Extra points.
There you go, man.
Hi, boss.
Thank you, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
Have fun.
Got some Toyotas here. Got a 4-door Land Cruiser. And we got a 2-door pickup truck Land Cruiser. And I got another Land Cruiser with a covered cargo area. Cool stuff. 1972 Chevy Malibu Custom. And custom is the key word here, folks. 6.2 liter V8. Custom everything else. Orange with green calipers. Okay. To each his own, I guess, huh? A lot of cool work. Looks good. So that's the car, that's the color, 77 Monte Carlo. I had the Corvette rallies on it with white letter tires on it back in college in the mid-'80s. Wow, bring back memories. That one looks like it's got bucket seats. I didn't have bucket seats. This is the last dust off cleanup, and off they go onto the block. So this is a wide-angle view of what things look like from the audience as cars come in and cross the auction block and hopefully go to a new home.
198, 08 Ford F-150 pickup, V6 automatic, 9. Now a green G199, 05 Ford Thunderbird, Cashmere Edition convertible, V8 automatic removable hard top with air. That's it. 30, 17, 18, 19, and 19, 19 down, 18, 19, 19, out of 18, 19, 18, 19, 18, 19, hold on, out 18, 19, 19, 18, 19, 19, down, 19, and a fair warning, out 18, 19, 18, 19, down, 19, 19, 18, 19, last call, but Gus, 119, at 18, I gotta go, but 18, 19, 18,000, 19, 18, 19, 19, 19,000, 18, 19, hold on, 18, 19, 18, 19, I give 19, 19, Gus, you want to give 19,000? 18, 19, 19, there you go, 18, 19, 19, 18, 19, 18, 19, 18, 19, gotta go, 18, last call, 18, 19,000. Just have to close it. Oh, yes, we had a roll going too. It was almost a rally. I mean, we had a rally going. We've done 3 in a row. That qualifies as a rally. It takes, Gus, that's going to take 20,000 to buy today. You work on that. Yeah, he told me that, so sure. Keep working on that, guys. All right, now I'll bring G200, a 99 Camaro SS convertible. Got an LS1 V8, a 6-speed with air, just a, thank you, out of 20, hold on, 17, 18, 18 down, and 17, 18, gotta go, 18, 17, stop that car, reserves off, I'm at 17, 18, and 17, 18, I'm at 17, 18, hold on, 17, now 18, 18, 18, now 17, 18, 17, 18,000. Sold, 17,000, sold. Nick. Every day at the Mecum auction, ladies and gentlemen, we stop and we raise money for a charity. And that charity is Curing Kids Cancer. And here to tell you a little more about the cause and their mission is one of the co-founders of Curing Kids Cancer, Grania. Grania?
Thank you very much, Bobby. So today is a special day because we have a guest with us. But I just wanted to let you know that I've been talking about CAR T-cell therapy for the last couple of days and how that has a 97% success rate getting children with leukemia back into remission. So, leukemia is no longer the leading cause of death for children with cancer. And that is partly due to you, because you helped to fund that treatment. However, brain tumors have now become the leading cause of death for children with cancer. And I have a very special person here today. This is Hunter, and he would like to tell you his story.
Thank you. I'm 14, and I had Langerhans cell histiocytosis. I have currently been in rehab for about 6-7 years now, but I have had several procedures, surgeries. I've had part of my skull removed and put it into a different piece of my head. And yeah, I'd like to thank all of you for donating and giving the money to fund to help save kids with cancer, obviously. And thank you very much.
Woo! So Hunter was only 5 years old when he was diagnosed. He is now 14. 14. Woo! So please donate because you will help save the lives of children just like Hunter. Thank you.
Thank you, Grania. What are we doing today, Doug? Here's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen, how we raise that money. We do it in the auction format. Jesse will ask for a bid, and the high bidder will get this gift from Mecum Auctions. It's signed on the back, For the Kids, Kissimmee 2025, Frank Mecum. Let's raise some money, Jesse. All right, here we go. Who would it 10,000. 10,000.
And this is the look from the bid goes on desk. This is where they come up, they roll, they finish off the bids. As you can see up behind, the stadium's not too full today, but by the end of the week and the weekend, it will be jammed. I mean, it's got an engine in it, it's powered, and it's cool. How do you beat that? I might even fit. And they make their own ice cream right here with the old hit and miss one lunger. And on that note, I think I'm gonna have me some. Oops. And we got stuff to keep the kids happy. Wow, that's cool. They get to drive around their own racetrack. Well, there's a couple more of them coming in now. Ooh, she's pretty good at it. Oh! I'm not going to comment on that. All kinds of fun. There's another Copo Camaro. This one's a 2013. Never raced. Drag tires. Drag slicks. Set up, ready to go. Take a look inside. Dash mounted tack with a shift light. Copo switches. Shifter. Race seats, harness, and a cage. Really cool car. 2013 Copo Camaro. Another really rare Corvette. 71 LS6 Corvette convertible, one of 20. Wow. Got the monster big block instead of the LS5, which most of the 454 cars got. This one's part of the Tornado collection. And in the beginning, a ZR1 looked like this. If you know, you know. One of 25. Wow. Just stunning. And really, really cool. I'm kind of partial to this combination, color-wise at least. Mine's not a Fuelie. Mine should have the silver coves, but white, red interior, pretty car, Bloomington gold car. Looks like some real original touches. Survivor, 6,500 RPM red line. And the Fuelie with the top tank radiator. Really cool car. '77 Monza Mirage Coupe Special Edition. When was the last time you saw one of these? And you really don't need to see my shadow in it, but it's original, low miles, V8 with the wide body kit of the Monza Mirage. Wow, I can't tell you how bad I wanted one of these back in the day. Vegas were cool, and they were even more cool when you put a V8 in them. Just the Monza was just to me, a little more stylish, more cool. Hey, this one's inspiration from my pal Brandon at Old Soul Motor Company in Worcester, Mass. Brandon, what do you think about this? They made it into a Jolly. How cool is that? High bid was $17,000. Not sure what buys it. We'll take a look inside. And the floorboards, the wooden bats, on the floorboards. That's really cool. How much fun could you have with that? 65 Chevy C10 on air, down in the weeds. Not real fancy. Decent, drivable, fun. C-notched frame on air. There you go. High bid was $17,000. Again, affordable fun. Something for everyone. So another blast from the past. 66 Chevy C10 Stepside, and my Uncle John at JG Motors in Webster, Mass. had a shop truck. Matter of fact, I think he had a couple of shop trucks, and they were both this color. I know at least one of them was. Not this shiny. Stepside. High bid of $22,000. Don't know what really buys it, but it's cool. And it brings back memories of Uncle John. So a 1921 Stanley Steamer 735 convertible, built in Watertown, Massachusetts. Original condition. They're only original once. I'm just told you can smell the kerosene. Light it up and go for a ride. I'll take a peek under the hood on this bad boy, because you can.
Boiler.
And that's the boiler.
That's a Dur boiler.
Wow. That's really cool. Just leave it as it sits and enjoy it. 1959 Rambler. A little customized. Got the surfboards on the roof. I'm casting a big shadow. Wood grain on the sides. Cool little car. What we got going on under the hood? Take a look under the hood. It's a newer turbocharged 4-cylinder. Maybe a Ford Ecotec? Don't know. Yeah, it does say Ford. Ford 2.5 liter. So it probably goes down the road pretty good. Have a lot of fun. High bid was $18,000. There's something for everyone. So I stumble onto this one. This is a fellow YouTuber, Craig from Flying Wheels up in New Hampshire, and he's still trying to get rid of this thing. My God. And the paint is still coming off where he taped it and covered it with plastic. Good luck, Craig. All right, folks, we're out in the back lot looking at some bid goes on cars, stuff still for sale. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, click the like, hit the subscribe, and ring the notification bell, because there's a lot more cool stuff coming. I just learned today that they are going to be close to 5,000 cars at this auction. Guess that kind of blows past their 4,500 goal, but there's a ton of stuff to see. Going to be back again, more videos, more cars. Going to get some auction action of the interesting stuff that goes across the block, and just give you an overview of how big and just how wicked cool of a car show this is, with stuff you can take home. How do you beat that? Awesome. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let's go car cruising.